Asangena thina, asangena thina. Yena ithi ngeke ngifike. Asage, Sasha, asage, asage. Sash the Sash. Alright, Sash. Ah, ngimnandi. Le kompa.
Yeah, rima kompa.
Yeah.
Hey.
What's that?
Eh? No. I'm not laughing. I'm blushing.
Oh, wow, so bless yourself. The bless you don't say hi. You say
Sasha,
hi.
Hoja,
Sharpen.
Sharp. I'm just greeting you officially for the camera. But we've been here for a while. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode. It can be Sasha on Instagram, Lily Shawanol on Instagram. I want to get a intro.
Yes. Okay.
Hoja, what's up?
Sharpen.
And Naka, right. Good to see you again at the penthouse.
Good to see you too.
For real. I guess what I nyaja or whatever lang commenting. I guess what I nyaja or whatever.
Tang.
Comment is I wanna get into too much. Yeah. But anyway, give on.
Give on.
Yeah.
Yep, that's it. Like what it said.
Yeah, anyway, we feel like wrong today.
Aye, kisap, much better. When?
Lenda gamunat. The mini is coming, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, the mini is coming.
Utali someone or utali one?
Well, Sanjo be somebody at Loapia put you. Can I not today as you now, man? Send the American Papa Street, the closure put. Or,
No, I can.
Jajila Locho.
No, kisap.
Okay. Thing is, come this side, I want some sun. I was like, no, never mind.
Uncle Hule, Haniki.
No, I can't reclaim my moko level straight. Elmaro, what like I said, Mara still fine. Yeah, this is better. Okay, I can. I do your put me. I do your put. So, I can now maybe we pay papa, cause na I gonna be gonna put. You gonna put a gijan na masho.
Yes.
Marai.
For Namaso.
Yeah, Mara for na my normal yeah.
If it is a pill, can take problem. You walk a rosa rice. And
I do what I say, ne? No, now we say to come on so. Yeah.
It's like what nobody can say.
So we're gonna be land tonight.
Kito Stella Nama. And then, Capital Chala lip up.
Okay.
That's for tonight.
Kokola show go mergomka. That's why I send the recreate mutim at low to shower.
It's not a big deal.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, so.
Serious. Yeah, okay. Mara, if you like sometimes I want get someone to assist you. Why, honey? I want to malova could you list alone or two. So at least this time, they were like, what about somebody else?
Yeah, what I pay put because that's gonna pay put. The rest of it's on me.
So I'll get at least I put to chakalaga, then we're not like roast and nanam.
Yeah.
Okay, the other thing.
That's remember not yellow man.
Okay, the other thing. All jealous, Kataba Lisa or Warapel and the usual. This time I'm going to be jealous.
No, I won't be jealous because it's a appeal at a minute.
Because you can't learn how to come up with the never be the so. Yeah.
What's about it's a appeal at a minute?
Okay. There is something you can go about like
Okay.
Yeah. So are arts and origin. I don't know what to give you this side or this side. Okay. Yeah.
Tlamehile ke kgalale tseleng. Ke kgalale tseleng tlamehile.
Yeah, ke kgalala mo tseleng. You know, today at least we feel how feeling not the. Guys, you might be shocked. Check this out. This is what success looks like in real time. These are my results for today. And it is all thanks to Pranav software. Let me show you how it works. Right now, I have Pranav system in my hands. It predicts that the multiplier will reach 6.75 times. So I'm placing a $10 with an auto cash out at 5.40 times. Boom, I just made $54 in just one game. This is insane. Let's try again now. I'm risking $50 with an auto cash out at 4.70 times and multiplier 4.86 times. I was expecting it, but still staying $255.80 in my account from just $12. That's crazy. But what matters is how do you get the system. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment. Press the get button, message Pranav and get the system. Hundreds of people are already winning big. Don't get left behind. Click the link, follow the steps and start earning now. Last time, I don't even know why I get Lisa, to be honest. Honey, why was I'm Kuzevel?
Ngakwiza mthole kana lwena. Yo. Kuni ngikhuza since go kissing la pia le lithu.
No, para ir a la camera.
Mero kwale na le tapunyana. Ai.
Okay. The other thing, ne? You're gonna go over like your out. Kita vaya temp. Kita was temp. Cause I can go to the medical one. We are pega. We are washer. Okay, so washing machine, Mara. We are pega, we are washer. You know, like we send some things on me. In Melo na se camera in upege. Mele kitchen in upege na se kitchen.
Yeah, alright.
I saw it again, I mean, I was doing singing. When I go to Zulu. Mara, just at man, I can only say them gas Zulu, that's all why. Because I don't know, I get Vegas Zulu, not gas speak.
Ah, it's very simple, well.
Yeah, but so, Kere. When I come to Otlo Tusha, because I was only one.
Otlo Tusha na?
Yeah, Pella, Message I got my Tomo already. One help ya. We listen to the help ya.
Help. Wait, dear John Sock. Pelonel help her didn't.
Okay. So, do what I'm going to go. Massage Mungape, Ujira Ore.
Medical be easy.
Or medical be easy. So,
to help to Shalaga.
Oh, TV, ne? The thing is,
switch it off.
It's fine. Wait, why is just reduce the volume? When you go switch off, yeah, it's fine. So,
yeah, what is?
Because, for example, message my Tomo on to check Kajilo Jago American CMTV and JG. And then, maybe we're not on to check Jago lodging.
And then what, Langwena?
Konali business ends. It don't like a matter of home. So
easy.
Yeah, no, thing is, ne, our business, ne, inaga family, like inaga, but 12 or bato, like bato tushan, about bato tushan, yaga 12 bato hono tushan. So, hello, we know it's all okay. We're not going to meet more, we're going to meet more. Maragri, or no. Abo bona gore ne o fila jwang ka ena abo
mara se go basadi
hone wa re o se go basadi kana o tsele na bothata ke eng le basadi massage no ba massage is the same thing as you like that wa tsore massage o thusha jwang sorry okay a re go fetsa ntsa go bolele re gopolo bolela o ne o fila jwang ka tabe
ke sharp ne ke A ke shopela gannyane. I thought gore ke nne motswelele.
Okay.
Ke bo ka re wa
Gona o tla no apela Dlamini gona. A ke tsebe gore ke mo cancel. Maybe Dlamini no tla tlisha wa gagwe. Maybe ke mo cancel Dlamini o tla tlisha wa gagwe.
a ke no gore bo diragelo tse le re bo dira ke the last time.
No. Ya Lisa phela.
E enta pele gore bjalo o se tja le mo.
No, mara Lisa I think sa mo tlisha mo Stempong phela.
No, mara wa se tja le.
No, Lisa ntlaetse. Ke relationship ya span. Also an employee situation.
A re tlwaele motho so.
Hanna le too much.
Okay.
Not too much. Okay. Kenana Dlamini is by the door. Yeah, ke bona code mo ya mpontsha gore wa tsena. Yeah.
Dlamini.
Yeah, o ka tla Dlamini. Sure. Come in, Dlamini. Chris, on the mic.
Asagena Tina, Asagena Tina. You need to get into Asage, Sasha, Sage, Sage. Ora ti Sage. Ah, umnandi. Le compo.
Yeah, re makompo.
Yeah,
Shit.
Sikhoma naye kimaseni compo senza kanje.
Pizaini. Pizaini.
Ngicela ijuice. Futhi ngilambileke futhi. Ngatsho ngomsho omlungu uthengile ukudla ngicela
Ke ka
ijuice.
batho no tsene ka uno tshwara ke tlala.
No ngilambile sina. La kade ngithume khona umlungu kude kakhulu. Awona la kade ngithume khona ngicela ukudla ijuice iqala. Ngicela ijuice.
Okay.
Mlungu wami.
Alright.
Ngiyaphila mlungu njani?
Ah, nami ngiqala.
Siyabonga.
Sakwamukela.
Ngiyabonga mlungu, ngiyabonga.
Alright, man.
Hayi no right kakhulu mlungu. Right.
So, yeah. It's the time ukuthi sihlale sirelaxe.
Yeah.
Siseke kamnandi. Ibiki lethu beli busy kakhulu.
Very busy. Yeah, very too much. Very too much.
Kakhulu. So, ngicabanga ukuthi it's weekend manje sihlale sirelaxe, you know.
Kube mnandi.
Good time.
Yeah, nale ndawo inhle futhi.
Yeah.
Hayi
Chris.
inhle shame.
Oh, that's been here come
Oh.
Yeah.
He's no ore.
Like that.
Okay. La ja ore.
Yeah, re gopela di wings mama.
Okay.
Re gopela.
Angiyazi ama wings awasanda ekhaya.
Yeah, ama wings
Awasali, hlezi kudliwa ama wings.
Siphila ngawo.
Siphila ama wings, awezi.
You know.
Awezi siququde.
Ayenza izinto ziyenzeke.
Zibe lula.
I feel like
Awusasha besasha. Yeah, akusawutsiwa mfethu.
Niqineni.
Akusawuthi bangisakwa lo sengibona ku TikTok. Ngisho ngithi hawu na ngosasha ku TikTok.
Yeah.
Umnandi.
Yeah, uyaphile.
Hayi kuyaphileka.
Push.
Asiphusha ayikho enye indlela ngiyabona no Chris uyasmile kumnandi. Yonke into right. Very right.
I just hope this time we have enough food, bread, especially bread.
Yeah, because say bread, wow, bread.
I just wish we have I hope we have enough bread because yeah.
Ngoba mina no Chris makuze esinkweni hayi. Asidli siyabulala.
Izinto zakho.
Yeah, isinkwa hayi.
Thanda ukudla.
Mina ngiphila ngokudla mina hey.
Dijo ke bophelo
Yeah, kubuphilo. Dijo ke bophilo.
Khane wa lesa etri chips.
I think batho ba banto ba mo di shopong na gzoro ba ri a jwang. Ke di slow lena. Hey, I guess. Dlamini,
Mlungu wami.
It's a new month.
Yes sir.
Mele si travel, just sihlale sihlale kakhulu ku eGoli.
eGoli.
Oh.
Ngiyabonga mawo, ngiyabonga.
Bonga mina.
Ngiyabonga.
Sesihlale kakhulu eGoli.
Okay.
Mele simuve man.
Sekuyisikhathi sokuphuma.
Yeah.
Sobona ezinye indawo.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hayi ngaba
Izinye ingane.
how we?
Sasha.
Dlamini skayisha monna ka motivate.
Oh, Sasha.
Ngiyakukupa please.
Ngifikela nje mfethu, ngifikela.
Izinye ingane. Ngizokuxosa. Okasibele ke.
Uthicanga ukuthi sithi
Hayi, hayi ezinye ingane Sasha.
Okay.
It's not izingane.
Okay.
It's not izingane.
Sanani shakumash.
Sobona ezinye indawo. Ya lona igoli vela yimlungu sulipedile lokho.
When last did you go to KZN?
When was it?
Dala.
Because last year I didn't go.
Okay.
Can I do it for you, Chris?
Yeah, and the
Last of last September before birthday yami.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Not bad.
Not bad, but this year ngiyahamba.
Where eLimpopo?
Angikaze ngafika eLimpopo.
Akwazi wafika?
Dude, angikaze ngafika.
Mina uyeLimpopo.
Kodwa uChris ungitshela athi sohamba sonke eLimpopo.
Ethi ngithathe le call ne.
Uthe uChris soye eLimpopo sonke before December.
I'm gonna take you for
Uthe before December. Bengibuka ama-comment abantu bayakhuluma bafethu.
Yo.
Ngenza yabona ama-friends eSMTV ngiyawathanda. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga. Labantu laba ngiyabathanda futhi ngiyabahlonipha.
Support.
Yeah, I support inkulu kakhulu.
Yeah.
Support inkulu kakhulu. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga. I was reading ama-comments for the episodes that we shot the last time. Mfethu, shout out to ama-friends eSMTV bafethu siyabonga kakhulu. Ngane zakwethu ningabantu ebantwini asilutho ngaphandle kwenu.
Yeah.
Ngathi uNkulunkulu anibusisa ninikeze imali eningi nizokhona ukuthenga elinye idatha nizobuya umsebenzi esiyenzayo. Siyabonga bafowethu. Ngaphandle kwenu asilutho. Asilutho.
Are kicheka la vitu na ile ya mabanitu le.
Akusayiboni amabanitu le.
Awusayibona.
Akusayiboni.
Batla ithela mu YouTube.
Ngiyafike yawuseni ya breakfast.
Is it breakfast? Yeah.
Kuyona ne? Make i-check. Ngikaze ngiyibone le. Usasha lokho yenza kanje nalenyama uyemuva naphambili mangifike lani. Yo. Lokho yemuva yaphambili inyama.
Sorry.
Nayi le nyama. Hawu.
Unaka kore ipisi.
Futhi ifoni yakho ngathi izocima. 66%. 6. Ngathi amanzi wona ngizowadinga ke nje bandle. Amanzi.
Hey bana go sariti.
Uphethe nedwangu. Esasha kulamalanga uyafunda ngempela yazi. Ufunda impela ke nje kulamalanga, ufunda impela. Oh,
sorry, I was on a phone.
ngiyabonga ma. Ngiyabonga.
Something important. I'm so sorry, ne?
Hayi. Akunantini.
Ngiyalibonga.
Okay.
Ufike manje nje na?
Yoko iswa
Umuntu ofundisayo wenza kahle.
Inyama la ekhaya is our signature.
Isinkwa semihla ngemihla. Iyadliwa inyama la ekhaya.
Ama wins lawa.
This is
So mele so ete ne because we have another guest.
Hawu. Chris ngelo nyama.
yeah.
Yonke.
Yebo.
Engaka.
Chris mo bribe lo.
Aka kiri kubulitsa re kerata di camera niki.
Bengimele umfana bamqatha u4 Chris.
Do you know how many wings are there?
Hawu.
Wings.
Hawu.
It's 16.
Ngeke Sasha for ngeke.
Oh, ngihlala phakathi.
Yeah, melo ngena amaphaketheni.
Wes. Hayi, ngenza kakhulu. Ngeka
This namhlanje angifuni ukuzwa lama language lawo no Lisa. Ipo blow di what. Lama language lawo namhlanje. Ice cream line is ice cream. Ayina leli igama. Ngiyabonga. Cause le show le ibukela abantu abadala.
abazali bethu.
Ney'ngane futhi.
No.
Sasho namhlanje wedwa.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu wesifazane ozokuhlupha.
Surely when like I don't know if we can clip her or
Ari?
No, there's someone who's coming just to make photo for you.
Someone is coming.
Yeah. so the thing is, I don't know what's gonna happen in terms of food, because now I wanted to eat a normal pap with the meat. Mara manje iphuthu. So angazi ukuthi sizoyenza amaphuthu. Mara yazi ne dala lento sitibeda ngayo.
Kahle kahle.
Namhlanje kwenziwa papa nephuthu.
Nje.
Mawufuna
Udla lapho hey. Awudle.
Libiwe sithi abade mapala ka bona yo oni ka pia pitsu.
Hawu.
Ele uzaphi yaphuthu?
Yasithembe kuthe kuzopheka uphuthu kwaphekwa bathini le nto leya upasta kwadliwa upasta.
Imagine
Ungalala ngidla upasta wona ubumnandi kodwa bengasuthanga.
Regile pasta yona ayishapu kafethu. Regile pasta. It was nice, ne? But nah, pasta nah.
Guys, you have to appreciate.
Yeah, okay, it was nice.
Yeah, I feel.
But you know, like papa ne in that thing. Almost pay you just pap. Kigese na.
Ipapa lifana noma ipapa lifana nokuthi udla uJack. Akazi uJack.
King Keke.
Ini?
Ini yona eve.
Okay. Mara na le flu, to ntsenya flu.
Mara ngithe yini?
Keke. What is that? Get.
uJack.
Okay.
Hey, it's a steamed bread. UJack. Hey, so.
Ay, ngiyafunda ngithi.
Kancane.
Wema.
Yebo bengasalambile.
Ujoma tatlamini.
No, ngishapho mfethu. Angirayisa kakhulu.
Okay.
Ngirayisa ngifuna uqamba manga.
Yeah.
The last time I saw you, not live though, but last week, Magdalene Chiefs nePirates, umlungu uye wasibiza emzini wakhe. Wathi wozani.
Umnandi. Lenyama le.
Iwinike libona.
Sabraya.
Ene ebekungekho avengekho amadumazana.
Bekuyithi sodwa.
uChris yakwazi ukushaya
Yeah. Hayi uSbrian uhlisa inyama kamnandi.
Serious? Awasenza tarate.
It was gents only.
Bekumnandi. Usupporta umhlophe kanje?
Usapota
Imnyama mara ngimhlophe.
Support iPirates team wrong. Support team wrong.
hayi
Ayi wrong.
nalento zenu angizingena.
Mlungu wami. Uthi lo muntu osifazana ozayo manje. Ungakanani?
Jwang. Iminyaka or
Uneminyaka mingaki?
Yeah, usho kunjalo vele.
Oh, I thought were ungakanani. It means body.
Yena ngokulingana ngenyanga angadlula uSasha ngenyanga ezithathu maybe. And then
Useyingane.
ezinye izinto uzozibona masekafika.
Afisa but
Because like ayasijaji abantu.
Asikwenzi lokho
yeah.
Asikwenzi lokho. Siphila nabantu na wonke umuntu ofuna ukuphila nathi siyaphila naye. Afet bese ngilambile.
Ucabanga ukuthi kule nyanga sikakhipha amalobolo?
yazi Mlungu lo mbuzo obuzayo masiya lapha kuma comments awusadi uhlezi ukhona abantu bayawubuza and bayidinga impendulo zalokho ukuthi usisi uyakhishelwa amalobolo noma cha kwenzakalani badidekile abantu abazi bayibuza yabo kodwa mina ngithi mase kufika isikhathi suke sesifikile akwenzeki.
But I feel like Usasha proved a point ukuthi ingaba umfazi vela.
Yeah.
So when wife material shom, I don't wanna lie. Sasha, I mean, ticked all the boxes. Sasha can cook, can
And
clean.
people say I can't cook.
They don't know.
Into ebalekile ukuthi uthole into efuna umuntu wesifazane.
Usasha ne? Uthi afika no. Acheka airport saka. Arje link arifaka machine without me having to ask.
Bagi no asasho yakhula. I know uyakhula sikawo.
Acheka fridge are engenge ya shorter are shopong. Are Woolworths. That's why
That's me.
she even said orange juice. Uthi mina uthanda orange juice. Athi singakhohle orange juice.
Ngiyabonga.
So, Dlamini
Mlungu.
Amabox uyathika and i-breakfast uyidlela ka
Hayi.
Yeah.
I do feel worried. She's a good wife. Like, she might look like a slave queen, but she's not.
I'm not.
She tick all the boxes. She actually do better than people that don't even look like slave queens. Yeah.
Ngoba ekugcineni kwakho konke Mlungu into ebalekile ukuthi excuse ukuthi wena ezumlungu the qualifications that you are looking for kuyena uyawathola na. If uyawathola ngalendlela ofuna ngakhona then why not ukwenze kwenzeke.
Yeah.
Uyabo ukwenze kwenzeke alikho icala lapho uzobe ungamoshanga kumuntu. Uyabona uyobwenza nawe into ekujabulisayo ngoba ekugcineni kosuku kumele nawe ujabule ngento oyenzayo.
Ay, siyabonga Dlamini.
Awu.
Nice. Yeah.
Hayi.
Into engiyazi kwaphela lenyama uChris engakayidli le ngiyayithatha.
Mina siqedele. So that's mase sizozo shoot asin. Because manje ubambe camera ngama hands out too.
Hayi.
Leka sidithi ke lo gone. Nyeke.
Sasha yamkhulumela uChris.
And by the way, guys, the grocery that we bought is too much for this weekend. So, anifuni mase sihamba kuhambiwa ukudla kusale. Kumele ukudla kudliwe.
Mlungu khululeka.
Ufuna ukudla
Khululeka. Ngizongila khululeka. Akunakudla okulahlwayo. Akunakudla ohamba ngeke ngila.
No, Dlamini. Last time i-pasta behlele lapha ya.
Isalile.
No. But kuma juice hayi. Wathi wama. Yeah.
Mama dira sikhambelelo.
Awaji lasikhambele.
Nama snacks ngahamba nawo amanye. Ngahamba.
Yeah, mele sidle nawo. Sidle yonke. Mina ngasikudla.
Namhlanje kuzoba mnandi kakhulu.
It's a sin to leave food unfinished.
Akufuneki ukudla kushiwa.
It's a sin. That's why food has expiry date. Because if you don't eat that food, it's gonna expire.
Kuzobola Mlungu, kuzobola.
Yeah,
Ngiyajabula nje mangibona amaqanda ehleli lapha ngiyasho.
if you don't finish food, rather don't buy it. Yabo.
Awu siyabonga Sasha.
Bonga mina.
Siyabonga siyabonga. Inhle into oyenzayo iyancomeka.
Wenze umsebenzi omuhle.
Into enhle iyancoma.
Uthi into enhle njani? Hey, siyangwa.
Iyancolo or iyancona.
Into enhle iyanconywa.
Into enhle iyanconywa.
Danko.
Danko.
Ushaya isiZulu ke lapha. Ungqowaso. Ngabe sengilambile ke nokho bafowethu. Hayi.
Kusolambile ne?
Hayi kusongilambile.
When we reach 100k subscribers, what are we gonna do?
You celebrate.
Kanjani?
Let's call few subscribers. Hey, mara bazotawa abanye. We wanna call few subscribers.
Bangajabula ke yeah.
And your biggest fan.
Yeah, that one.
Then we invite them, ne?
Yeah. Well, like number.
ngaba yini
Ashali. That one on support. The TikTok everywhere.
When we reach 100k subscribers, I call my biggest fan
You call.
from YouTube, whatever. You call your biggest fan. You call your biggest fan. Chris call their biggest fan as well.
Unawo kwakhona.
Abamtsebi.
And they come to celebrate with us.
But somebody enough for him.
Ngori kuno Chris.
Then they come to celebrate with
Chris
us.
was doing boy. Ovela la gatlamin.
Then they come to celebrate with us. Yabo.
Yeah.
Nokuzoba mnandi.
Rashute khona gente ra post. Lebana ba babona.
Asenze kanjalo mlungu.
Ayeti.
Just to show appreciation kubantu.
Yeah.
We appreciate them.
Yes.
Adiwunzeli munadi.
Ayahamba. Ayahamba.
Ja Chris re tlo itse na be appreciate ke one.
No. Don't do that. How you feel like mothaise le tsa What's what talk about ja? What's what ne
If
ga mothaga je tsa
If muthaje jo jaga, I want muthaga ja onji jo jaga.
Le go ka ngwa thadi jo tsa.
I want muthaga ja onji jo jaga.
A ke mo we. O tlo
thoma kae?
O tsa dijo like
O tlo
dijo.
thoma.
Qala ngapha phela.
Uqala phi? O tla mina khona.
Ngeke. Ngaphuka amadolo ngeke.
Ke le botsa ka dijo tsa go ja like tsa go ka
Ya nna re botsa ka dijo.
Ngeke zona lezi.
tsa go ka maleng.
Re botsa ka tsona.
Yeah, nna bona mothaga tsa dijo tsa. Ke kwata ka kudi ba le go o khotlile go.
Serious?
Yeah.
Awa ka muthaje jo jaga.
So that's why we kwatile na last time.
Eh?
That's why we kwatile na last time.
Last time ga no go dira le last time.
Kitchen kathi mbeke.
A go ne mothazi le go dijo tsa.
Ubefuna ukuzidla kodwa.
Nani go dija. Ba mo stop.
Ba mo stop.
Ke be ke sa mo stopa. Ah, na je.
What if ujijile? No, I'm kidding. Sasha, come on.
Ubuzowenze njani vele?
I'm kidding, Sasha. How?
Oh, Sasho.
Yo, eh. The way we're going on is obvious for asa jija.
Ah na ke tare. O tso to. O tsaba le.
Au ka kera muthaje jo jaga o tlo moria, wa mo krea jija.
Apheke ukudla, umthole pheke ukudla kwakho.
Adi apia.
Umthole phezulu kwakho ukudla kwakhe edla. Elokhe kudla nje ukudla kwakho.
O tlo moria.
Ha o ke la tasthule le thula.
Oh, na stona phela wena.
Ke tlo skria tshetsile.
No.
Ke tlo skria ka.
Aba feleletsa go ja.
Le tlo boloka ke nna.
No, o bona re ba feleletsa go ja ba samaya.
A ba tsaba ka stama ka stream.
O tlo ria.
Ba ka sitse ke lone.
O tlo dira. Lena ba setse le rata o
Tlo
tshoshetsa.
phaka ka mole ka mo.
Wenza kahle na Sasho.
Lena ba setse le rata o tshoshetsa tseba.
Okay.
Into yomuntu umhluzi
Na ke
wempisi.
tshetse ba.
Into yomuntu umhluzi wempisi. Isho ithi into yomuntu umhluzi wempisi.
Into yomuntu ihliziyo. Ay, wontsera ke tamana.
Awuzofunda Sasho, uzofunda.
Dlamini.
Mlungu.
Uma ukathola umuntu ayidla ubaba kwakho, uzowenzani?
Yabona mina mlungu ukhuluma nje iqinisa angifundi ukuqamba amanga. Lo ngiyale nale.
Or le sap. Ilise disine or le sap.
Ngithola upheke ukudla kwami. Hawu, ubala afuthi angilwi.
Maybe.
Hayi angilwi inhlobo, angisilo inhlobo elwayo angilwi.
Yeah,
Or intamin.
Mina? Hayi mina angilwi mina.
I apologize about what I said there.
I'm not a fighting type. I'm a loving type.
Maybe it's because
Ukuza kuyona into yami akukho egazini.
agree with
Kwangidlula kudala ngisafunda isikole kulo.
Ambilo unobulela. Why wa babe?
No, phela naleli are nearly friendship like ilo is casual. Yabo.
Mina ngipushile mama.
Awuphithela motho. So naleli sasangaraje jo at all.
Ke marilane jeljo.
No, akoro kwa teacher ko re ke bala like re engenge jo engenge.
Maybe wa confess na get it.
No, asaraje jo. And we will never do that. We will never do that. Lisa on name wa ja once. Then like mo ke ne mo ke ja once.
Yes.
Ku tsara ke bala so ke khatla Chris ka kuri strike.
Mo khatlaka.
Yeah, so are tlogeletsa go tsa go lwishana bo. Ke gopela sa gona. Gopela sa gona.
Yeah.
Yeah. Era ko jole tamini ne.
Sure.
Tamini.
Ngiyakuzwa mlungu.
Nako ubudi jagera. Abo? Sese ke topile la Chris.
La nami ngiyalanda.
No, if la Chris itlo le rena.
Kodwa uChris umngani wami ngeke ngimdle. Ngimdle.
Funa beke.
Ngidlala Chris.
Ngisusa phambi kwami. Yangiphazamisa la eceleni kwami ifoni yakho. Ya mangathola uphuthu ke namhlanje. Hayi. Izoshaya. Inyama ikhona?
Kuzani?
Mina. Mina ngiphuza ijuice mina.
Nake zori kuphuze. Eish,
Nje ngibambe ngejuice nje mfethu hayi ngi-right.
Nake ke qala ijuice.
Hawu. Awuluki ijuice.
Niyampophisa nina.
Sesiyayibanga le juice.
Mina ngicela okay, ke kupa orange juice ne, not the tropical one or whatever. Kupa orange juice.
100%. Yeah, 100, still 100.
Waphasela na kango. Zomari.
Yabo Sasha ne? Hey Chris. Why like Chris? Come in.
Yes, sir.
Sasha, yabo more describe by juice when it comes to women. If I were to give an example, Shimisha juice. Sasha is 100% juice.
Yeah.
I want how much juice I should get.
You know 50. You
Yeah.
know 70. You know 40%.
Vapale. Kuna lao vapale 100%. Marama wapuza.
Ayizwakanje nge-100.
Akhona uyawazi.
Ngiyabonga
Uyawazi.
futhi. Ngiyawazi mlungu.
So, when it comes to women, such as 100% juice.
Yeah.
Yeah. 100%.
Ibhizi ngaba juice.
Kore, Sasha, ki beauty, ki brains,
Ki body.
ki body, ekitchenini uyapheka, everything, like, ki 100% juice.
Hayi.
So nukore bana ba ngo beke.
Yabo problem mo ke ane hape.
O tsiri kae?
A ke rate banna ba balela lweng.
O tsiri kae ntse?
Oh, I wanna risk getting personal, ne?
O tsiri kae?
Ga Chris. Ke so ne weng se jang chipel.
Ke tsa gare a le one di sharp di molekane.
Kodwa maningi ngeke waqeda yini.
Mini o tloga.
Akumi-
Tsore ela te.
Akumina.
Not la mo.
Kodwa lama wings
Mara ke
maningi.
tla mina no lore is not claiming.
It's not.
Ke ma?
Ke own influence it. But it's my decision.
Oh,
It's my decision.
oh, pussy. A ke tsebo no so.
It was just an influence. But I'm the one.
First time I go read really. Don't feel like I swapa.
Hawu Sasha ngiswaphe kuphi?
What if
Udlala ngapi?
negative mradisho kwa? What mara?
Shoot ngabe
Ke Chris.
shoot ngabe kunjalo ke manje.
Yeah, shaman.
Sasha de Sasha. Ngiyakubona TikTok ukuthi izinto ihamba kahle.
Yeah.
kumnandi.
Ngiyabonga.
Uphila impilo.
Yeah, abana TikTok ne.
Ah.
Yawarata like one support. Asana ni Instagram.
Akuphethe kahle.
Ngithe kahle.
Na siyabonga.
Mara Facebook yona yaphela.
Facebook nami angiyithandi.
Because kinalo 1 month kinale account.
Ya Facebook.
Yeah. Army balance.
Ama followers asengakanani?
Followers 600.
Hey.
Kya.
Yeah, uyazama.
Whenever I follow ko TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok too much.
Yeah.
Kumnandi.
Ngiyabonga.
Impilo.
Yeah, abana TikTok ne. Yawarata like one support. Asana ni Instagram.
Akuphethe kahle.
Ngiphethe kahle. Mara Facebook yona yaphela yo.
Facebook nami angiyithandi.
Because kinalo 1 month kinale account.
Ya Facebook.
Yeah. Army balance.
Ama followers asengakanani?
Followers 600. Kya fihlan. Whenever I follow go TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok too much.
Okay.
Too much.
Okay.
Siyabonga.
Okay, I'm glad. Guys, you following welcome Zamini.
Awubatshele sa.
Yeah, please. Kiyabona di comment mo YouTube rata.
Yeah, too much. Ayithanda lukhona.
Yeah, le morata le mo follower.
The story that I shared the last time Mlungu. Yeah, ish.
Yazi ngenikhuluma sifuna sikhulume ngale se one man to man mara nosasha vyakhona so at least she knows.
But basho kanjalo nakuma comments but you have to do something yeah, 1-on-1.
Yeah, is it?
Sibathintile abantu abaningi. Yeah, sibathintile.
Okay. Chris uthi ase nisothenga something sizobuya.
Okay.
Sizokhuluma ngaye kahle.
Kanti asambini.
Sambeni ne?
Na sami.
Sizokhuluma kahle se-relaxeni. Ngicabanga ukuthi se-balcony sikhulume ngaye e-balcony sishawe umoya.
Futhi umoya walana indawo right.
Open konhle.
Uyakusaba ukutonya.
Yeah. It's so say shop fast. Masibuya then sihlale e-balcony.
Hayi.
Yes.
Ngibona
Masibuya siyabonga dangone. Before you go, remember the link is in the description to get Pranav system for free. Will you be the first or wait till it's too late? Join the winning team today.